Isang hapon, sir. Ano pong order nila?
Fried cheese stick for my appetizer. Gradation chicken. Mango float for my dessert.
Ano po nila babayaran ng account? Salamat po, sir.
Thank you.
Come back again.
Gandang hapon, sir. Ano pong order nila?
Isang Irish potato, pineapple beef, cream of sweet corn soup, and black sambo.
Paano po nila babayaran ng...
By credit card.
Thank you, sir.
Come again. Ayun.